Hello everybody and welcome to the Kempinski Lawrenz on the island of Gozo, which is the neighbor island of Malta in Europe. I stayed at the Kempinski Hotel Lawrenz in Gozo for 3 nights. I'm about to check out, so I tidied up a room a little bit to be able to show you what is included in a deluxe category room. So come with me. As soon as you enter this magnificent room with lots of light, there is a full-size mirror. There is air, the color is light, there are lots of wooden furniture, very good quality wood, and there is maybe marble floor. There is a gigantic bed which was very comfortable. They have a pillow menu, so if you prefer firmer or softer pillows, you can just call the front desk and they will be happy to deliver it to your room. But the room comes with a soft and a little more firmer pillow, and then you have these nice decorative pillows that I also use for sleeping because I like that it's pretty small. Next to the bed there are electric plugs, which are very important. No USB plugs unfortunately, but you have the British 3-pin plug and you also have the European 2-pin plug. I'm not sure that you can plug an American thing in it. There's a good reading lamp which I haven't read during this vacation, so anyways, there is a good reading lamp and you can switch all the lights on and off from the comfort of your bed. If you prefer to sleep with a little light during the night, the bedside lamp can be switched on for the night. There's a phone. Unfortunately it doesn't say any phone numbers, but a good advice, if you dial 0, usually 0 will connect you to the front desk. Every night when they do the turn down service, they would provide you with 2 bottles or 1 bottle of small water. The living area of the room is also very nice. I think this bed can be opened, but I'm not sure about that. And it's very comfortable just to relax, have a glass of wine, look outside, look at the sun or watch TV. Now the TV is fairly small, but when you come on a vacation, usually you don't want to watch TV, but you want to be outside by the pool. But this has a lot of channels, mostly European stations. It has English language stations and Maltese local stations and, you know, lots of stations. Under the television, there is a small area for tea and coffee making facilities. They have Nescafe, green tea and breakfast tea. I'm surprised why the Kempinski has not invested in putting an espresso machine or a proper espresso machine in their rooms here at the Kempinski Lawrenz. On the other side you have a minibar. And the minibar, well, I rearranged the minibar a little bit because I needed to put some cake in it. It has local beer and a local drink, a Maltese drink called Kini. It has a bittersweet, soft drink taste with orange and aromatic herbs. It was not my favorite, but once you're in Malta or Gozo, you have to try this. A lot of liquors, gin, vodka, whiskey and Hennessy cognac, sparkling water, non-sparkling water, fruit juices, chocolates, and oh, there's that. Oh, okay. There's milk in it for the coffee. I did not notice that. Anyways, that's cool. Let me show you the bathroom. The table is large enough to work on it, to put your laptops. It has lots of storage facilities. Let's see the wardrobe. It has a safe. I believe it's a laptop size safe, and it has also a laundry bag and sewing kit, you know, the usual stuff that you would get at a hotel. Something nice that I found in 5-star hotels is that they pay special attention to providing ladies with this very special cloth hanger. It's very soft, so you can put your soft material clothes on it and it's not gonna be ruined. Nice. The other one, just another place to put your stuff. And let's see the room, the bathroom. Huge, this is Kempinski style. Marble countertop and marble walls with very nice wooden furniture. There's a nice tub. And there is the shower area. You have the rain showers and you also have the handheld showers. The water pressure is perfect. It's really good to have a shower here. Now, what do we have here? I love the Kempinski's products, the shower gel and the shampoo. I believe it's the same in every Kempinski in the world. It has a bergamot with organic aloe vera smell. It is delicious. Body lotion, conditioner, shampoo. There's an emery board, hygienic set, and 2 shower caps. Pretty much that's the bathroom. Oh, and obviously, when you go down to the spa, you can use one of these fluffy Kempinski bathrobes that you can, of course, purchase if you wish. Now, the hotel room comes with breakfast if you opt for bed and breakfast, but you can also do half board at this hotel. Breakfast was very nice. You can have all the usual stuff from breakfast, including smoked salmon and vegetables and different bread products and eggs. And you can also order some specialty things from the menu a la carte that are included, just like crepes with chocolate sauce and eggs benedict and omelets and porridge and all the likes. And also you can have some specialty coffee like espressos and cappuccinos. The hotel has an amazing pool area. There are 3 large pools. One of them is for families and small children, and the 2 others are for adults. Lots of umbrellas, and it has not been very busy during my stay, so I could always find a bed with umbrellas while I was here. The water is a little chilly, but that's perfect because the sun can get very strong, especially during the summer here in the Mediterranean region. The hotel also has an amazing spa. They are specializing in Ayurvedic treatments. That means a lot of oils are massaged into your head and your body, and I took one of their signature treatments and it was absolutely fantastic. I could relax in 75 minutes fully. So this is highly advised to try out once you're staying at the hotel. It's not cheap, I can assure you that, but at the end you will have an amazing experience. They also have a Turkish hammam with heated marble tops, countertops where you can just lay and relax. That's included in your room rate. There's also 2 indoor pools that are really nice, and there's a steam area. So it's a very, very nice wellness section that the hotel boasts. So in case the weather gets a little chilly during the winter month, you will not be able to use the outside pools, but you can relax inside. The hotel has a few bars and a few restaurants besides the main dining area. But let me show you the view from my deluxe room. Now, look outside. This is the main pool area. It's beautiful. The sun shines from the morning all the way until sunset, and it's very relaxing. All you hear are the little birds beep, 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 twittering around the palm trees. The family pool is on the left, lots of shaded areas. They also have a herbal garden, and then outside patio where you can have lunch and fresh fish catch of the day. The main breakfast area is right there at the main building, so you can have breakfast outside and also inside. One part of the hotel is used by the hotel guests, and the other part, which is right opposite me, is the Kempinski Residences. If you come here for a longer period, or you wanna, I don't know, you wanna get a European citizenship and you need property for that, you may be able to buy an apartment at the Kempinski St. Lawrence in Gozo. Well, ladies and gentlemen, this was my 360 video of the Kempinski St. Lawrence in Gozo. Make sure you check out my other hotel reviews and other videos and the Travels of Balázs YouTube channel. Subscribe, comment, like and share the good words, and see you at the next adventure. Bye.